Okay, back with exercise 13-2. And again, I'm picking this one because I want to pick one of the first questions on internal rate of return and show you how to use your calculator to do it, so that when you come to the harder ones, you'll know what you're doing. So Billy Brown, investigating purchasing a new delivery van. Van would cost $90,000, 8-year useful life, generate cost savings of $15,000 per year compared to the van currently being used. He also estimates the new van would result in the sale of 2,000 more liters of ice cream each year, which has a contribution margin of $1 per liter. So first of all, what would be the total annual cash inflows? So they would have the annual savings of $15,000 per year plus 2,000 more liters of ice cream with a contribution margin of $1 per liter. That's 2,000 in additional contribution margin. So total annual cash inflows would be 17,000. Then we go back and it asks, find the IRR promised by the new van. So here is where we can use our calculator. So again, same as in question 1, we hit the CF cash flow button. And then remember to hit second and clear. So we clear out all previous data. CF0 is the cash flow at time 0, which is right now, which is going to be your expenditure. In the question, the van was $90,000. So we hit 90,000, negative because that's an outflow, hit enter, and then down arrow. Then it's our first cash flow. So the only cash flow we have are these right here, the annual cash inflows. So we hit 17,000 and it's inflow, so it's positive, enter, down arrow, and that is good for, well, the van has an 8-year useful life. So for 8 years, so 8, enter, and then hit the down arrow. So that's all of our cash flows entered in. So then if you look across, you'll see IRR. So you hit that button, and then you hit the top left, compute. And our answer is 10.211, so 10.2 is what they have here.